Hello and welcome back. In this section, we're going to learn about what exactly the device enrollment process or what happens when a device is enrolled. Uh, in other way, to talk about device enrollment, you are actually adding your device to Microsoft Intune. Let's understand now technically. What happens is basically you will have the Intune, which is a cloud-based service, right? So to manage your workforces or your devices or maybe your apps, what you need to have is on your devices or your workforce, you need to have some kind of certificate which is trusted by Microsoft Intune. So that's what it is needed for the enrollment process. In other way, Intune will issue a MDM certificate to your devices to communicate with your Intune services. That's where the communication would be established. But the certificate, to take it back, you need to configure different type of you may have a different type of devices for sure, like Android or Apple or maybe Windows devices. To manage all these three different devices, you need to have three different enrollment process should be happen, because we're talking about three different companies platforms altogether, or companies devices altogether. But in the coming sections, we would be deep dive into how to configure these Android devices enrollment process, or maybe for Apple devices, or maybe for Windows devices. What I'm talking is from Microsoft Intune portal under device enrollment, we're going to configure in the upcoming sections like Apple enrollment, Android enrollment, and Windows enrollment. All these things we're going to configure in the upcoming demos. Thank you for watching this.